In this step-by-step guide, we will show you how to create an email account in cPanel. Log into cPanel using your username and password. Navigate to the Email Accounts section, which is located under the Email category on the cPanel dashboard. Click on the Email Accounts icon to access the Email Account Management page. Click on the Create button to start creating email account. On the Email Account Management page, you will see a form that allows you to create a new email account. Fill out the following fields. In this part, you can choose your preferred domain name to create your email with. Email, enter the username that you want to use for your email address, i.e., info if you want your email address to be info@yourdomain.com. Password, choose a strong password for your email account. If you do not want to set the email account password during its creation, you can select the second option. The system will send an email with a password reset link. This will allow the user to choose a password. You can use the password generator to create a secure password. Mailbox quota, specify how much storage space you want to allocate for your email account. This is the maximum amount of disk space that your email account can use. You can also choose the unlimited option for setting storage space while creating your email. By selecting this option, you can allocate the maximum free space on the host to the email account. To help users to configure email accounts on their preferred mailing tools, select Receiving Instruction option, and it is necessary to point to Configuration Instructions. By selecting this option, as soon as the account is created, you will receive a welcome mail along with instructions on how to set up email on mailing tools in the inbox. Once you have filled out the form, click the Create Account button to create your email account. By clicking on the Open button here, you can see this page which shows the email environment in cPanel that allows you to easily manage your email accounts, organize your inbox, and efficiently communicate with others. Now you can check the welcome email containing configuration instructions in your inbox. Check out links in the caption to receive more information about new features and updates in cPanel for email, such as plus addressing.